So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to talk about certain asanas which bring balance into your body. So first asana is Vrikshasana, also known as the tree pose. Take left leg and then place it on the right leg like this, and while inhaling take both your hands up straight and join them. लेफ्ट लेग को आपको राइट लेग के ऊपर प्लेस करना है और दोनों हाथों को ऊपर ले जाते टाइम आपको इनहेल करना है. इन दिस यू कैन ईदर कीप योर आईज क्लोज्ड, or if you're not able to balance yourself you can also focus at a particular point in front of you. For example, आप कोई भी एक point ले लीजिए अपने सामने like this and then focus on that particular point. After doing this asana you need to come back down एक leg से करने के बाद, and then practice the same pose, same asana with the other leg also. And this asana bring balance into your body and also engage your core and legs. like आपके core muscles and legs muscles stretch होती है which also balance you. So this was the first asana. Let's move to the next asana. So guys, the next asana is the cat cow pose. In this you need to sit like this and then take your neck towards the back and bulge inwards like this. And in this आपकी जो spine होती है and जो abdominal organs होते हैं ये stretch होते हैं, and this also helps to gain flexibility. This asana is very good for to increase the blood flow and it also relieves tension, helping you feel energetic. इससे आप बहुत energetic feel करते हैं. Keep your neck completely stretched towards the back and आपको normal breathing करनी है. Being in that pose आपको normal breathing करनी है. You can practice it for 5 times and then relax down. So guys, now let's move to the next asana. So guys, the next asana is the bridge pose, जिसे हम सेतु बंद आसना भी बोलते हैं. In this lay down like this and अपने legs को as close as you can, place it as closer as you can, and then hands facing downwards touching the ground. You can also try to touch your legs like this and then move upwards like this. This is the bridge pose. Stay in this pose for at least 30 seconds. ये जो आसन होता है इससे आपका neck, your spine, your hips and also your chest, all these 4 body parts stretch all together, एक साथ stretch होती है, and also it also increase your blood circulation and you feel very active and energetic. Or to get rid of fatigue and tiredness you can also practice this asana. You can practice it for 3 times like this. जितना आप ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं अपनी बॉडी को ऊपर लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. ट्राई टू लिफ्ट इट एंड आपकी नेक, डू रिमेंबर आपकी नेक ग्राउंड को ही टच करेगी एंड योर लेग्स लाइक दिस एंड देन नॉर्मल एंड रिलैक्स. सो गाइस, द नेक्स्ट आसना इज भुजंग आसना, ऑल्सो नोन एज द कोबरा पोज. इन दिस ले डाउन बैक आपकी चिन जो है वो आपके ग्राउंड को टच करेगी, हैंड्स टचिंग द ग्राउंड, योर लेग्स कंप्लीटली टचिंग ईच अदर. आपको अपने लेग्स को पूरा जॉइंट रखना है एंड देन take your upper body towards the back, lift it like this. आपकी neck भी पूरा अच्छे से पीछे की तरफ bend करेगी like this. And do remember that this asana stretches your chest, your abdomen and your shoulders whenever you take your body upwards like this. It also increases the blood flow. So blood flow increase होने से obviously you get energy. Come back down. This asana also make you feel flexible and also improve your posture. Do it for at least 3 times. It increase flexibility. आपकी neck, do remember आपकी neck अच्छे से पीछे की तरफ जा रही है and your upper body is lifted properly. Come back down and practice it for 3 times. After practicing it for 3 times, relax. While relaxing you can also close your eyes properly before doing the next asana. So guys, the next pose is mountain pose. So mountain pose हमने अपनी सारी वीडियोस में बताया है. So it also is a proof that it is a very good asana for practicing. आपको पूरा mountain pose में आना like this and try to touch your legs properly to the ground. और अगर आप टच नहीं कर पा रहे हैं then you can adjust your body parts. अगर ज्यादा पीछे से आपके legs आपको लग रहा है कि टच नहीं हो रहे, bring it a bit forward like this and stay in this asana. और आपकी neck जो है वो आपके hands के लाइन रहेगी. Slowly, if you're able to bring it as much closer, you can bring it like this and then take it backwards. आपको पहले उसको आगे की तरफ लेके आना अपने लेग्स को, जितना आप ला पा रहे हैं कंफर्टेबली, विदाउट लिफ्टिंग योर हैंड्स एंड बेंडिंग योर नीज. एंड उसके बाद आपको अपनी बॉडी को मूव करना है टुवर्ड्स द बैक अगेन. दिस आसन स्ट्रेचेज योर एंटायर बॉडी and mainly focus on the hamstrings, your calf muscles and your shoulders. Downward faced रहते हैं, so it also helps to increase the blood flow into your brain. So now let's move to the next asana.